Hello, budget bakers. Today we are in the kitchen and we are making cinnamon raisin Amish friendship bread. Now, I have already made my starters, so I am going to be creating 2 loaves today of the bread from the starters that I've made. So this recipe really has basic ingredients. So you've got flour, milk, sugar, yeast. That's how you start it. And then you keep adding flour and sugar and milk as you go. Well, today on baking day, we are going to add those things, and we are also going to add a little bit of oil and some eggs and a little bit of vanilla, which I will use my homemade vanilla that I made in a previous video. So let's get started. I haven't had this in years, and I am ready to make some delicious Amish friendship bread. You with me?
First things first, I need to empty out my starters into a very large bowl. And that is exactly what this bowl is called. It's called That's a Bowl, and it's from Tupperware. So there we go. I made sure I got every last bit because you guys know that Deanna doesn't waste. Now I'm adding my flour and milk and sugar to the mix. And I did have to double it since I had 2 bags of starter. Now we mix and we mix and we mix. And as you can see, it comes together really nicely. I'm only using 1 cup of starter, so I'm putting the rest in the fridge, and then I'm saving one for later that I will put into the freezer. Here we have 1 cup of the starter to move forward with for today. Prep time! Now it's time to prep our pans. So I spray them with cooking spray, and then I add cinnamon sugar to the pan. And what this does is it coats the bottom and it keeps the bread from sticking to the pan. So when they're baked and cooled, removal from the pan will be super easy because of this step. Time to add our wet ingredients. First, we've got our oil, and then I use vanilla coffee creamer instead of milk for a little added sweetness and taste. We've got our eggs, and now our homemade vanilla extract. Delicious. Mix it all together. It took a minute for it to come together because of the oil, but it did come together nicely. Next up, our dry ingredients. I'm starting with flour. I'm adding 2 cups of flour to the mix. I'm adding 1 cup of sugar to the mix. Now a little bit of baking powder. And then we are going to add our raisins, which you could add raisins or nuts or both. It's totally up to you. A little bit of cinnamon, and now we whisk it all together, and it really did come together nicely. It was at this moment that I realized I needed 1 more pan because all of this batter would fit best into 3 pans as opposed to 2. So now I'm using my spatula to evenly divide the batter between the 3 pans. Once I get it all in the pans evenly divided, I am going to add more cinnamon sugar onto the top, which creates a lovely crust.
Well, hello again, friends. My Amish friendship breads are baked and out of the oven. Look at that. It smells delicious in here. I have a special taste tester today. Come on. You remember, don't touch his hot. Remember my daughter? She's going to be here tasting this for me because she always gives her honest opinion if I want it or not. All right, I'm going to cut you a piece here, sweetie. It's really hot, okay? Just came out of the oven, so be careful. Here, let's let everybody look at the inside of it. Ooh, look at that. Look at the steam. Okay, ready? Careful.
I will.
All right. Let's have a little taste. Did you get any? Here, move over so everybody can see your beautiful face. There you go. How is it? Does it taste cinnamony? Let me taste it. I need to taste it too. I'm the baker. I get a taste. That's good. It's very moist.
Yeah.
Mm.
Very cinnamony.
You like your cinnamon?
Yeah.
I was just going to ask you if you think I need to add more cinnamon.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
That is good. All right, friends. Well, there you have it. We like the Amish friendship bread. And I think we're going to go and actually have a slice now. So thank you for being here with us. I would love it if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. Happy baking!